Hello and welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. Today I got a package from BlackBerry Rock Homestead, and Gale Southern Living added some things to it as well, I believe. There was no note on what, but I was told that the seeds might have been from her. So anyways, I was picked as a winner for some items from BlackBerry Rock Homestead, and this is what I got. I got 6 magnets that are crocheted. I think she did these herself. They're really cool. I like them. And they're all flowers. This one I don't think is a flower, but I don't know. I still think it's awesome. And then they sent some items for gardening. So I got a little spray bottle. I got a big shovel. Whoops, it's hooked. A big shovel. One of the forks. A weed puller, I believe is what that is. And a little I can't remember what they're called. Anyways, they dig in it, and then another smaller shovel. And then I got some things to mark what the vegetables are, little vegetable markers in different colors. And then I believe these are from Gale. I got 2 things of beefsteak tomatoes, and then cilantro, which I'm pretty sure I can grow that in my arrow garden. So that will be going to be used for that. And then morning glories. These seeds right here I will be giving to the community gardens, so that way I can enjoy the items, plus my people in my town can too, my community. So then we got radishes, which I don't think I can't in there. So I might try some in my my windowsill garden, but I'm not sure. And then some, let's see, Brad's Atomic Grape tomatoes. I got 2 of those, and I got 2 of the San Marzano tomatoes. I don't know if I said that right, but yeah, it's a tomato. And then some Chinese giant sweet peppers. I got 2 of those. And then I received the pepper garden, which funny little note, when I saw it, I was kind of tired that day, and I thought it said the prepper garden. So I was like, yes, I want the book. But I still want to I still want the book, and I'm still going to look through it, even though it's the pepper garden. Should have known that from the picture, but anyways, that's just a little funny fact that happened. And this is one of those garden bags, so to put all your gardening tools and things in. So it's got some pouches right here, and it folds out quite large, so I can put those tools and things in there. So that, and then these butterflies, they jiggle. They're on a stick with a little spring on the bottom, and so they go in your plants just for a little fun, or your garden, whatever. But if I put them in the community garden, they'll just be destroyed. So I'll be putting them in my plants, and maybe giving a few out to a few friends locally to put in their garden. But they're all kinds. There's this blue one that's pretty cool. Yellow. Let's see if I can split those 2 up. There we go. Another blue one. And so yeah, they're really cute. So they're falling out of the rubber band. So that's what I received. I'm really excited. Thank you so much, BlackBerry Rock Homestead and Gale, for all the wonderful goodies. They will definitely be put to good use. And these will go to the community garden, which I will enjoy getting these items from the garden, and so will my community. Both community gardens run off of donations, so this will be a good donation with also the other items that I had already put aside for them for this year. So, thank you so much. It's a wonderful blessing, and as always, may God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.